What's up guys, Steve Gray here, professional football freestyler. I've got one more tutorial for you guys as part of the Inspire Plus Virtual Mini Olympics 2021. I think it's befitting that we've done some lower body skills, we've done some upper body skills, so we're going to move on to our final category, which is the sit down skills, okay? So for this one, you're going to sit yourself down, okay? And the starting position that you're going to want is you're going to have a nice straight back, and you're going to take some super glue, glue your hands to the floor, okay? This is to help keep us stable, okay? Now, a couple of tricks that I'm going to try and get you guys to do and put together. The first one is called the catapult. It looks a little bit like this. You're going to have the ball in between your feet like this, and you're going to try and launch the ball like a catapult back towards you and catch it in between your knees, okay? So we're going from our feet to our knees. But remember, we're keeping those hands glued to the floor. I know it's going to be tempting to pull them off, but trust me, it will be a lot easier if you can adopt this, okay? So we're going to do the catapult, like so, and then once you've got this, we're now going to add in a nice little sit down spin, okay? So I'll break it down for you, really easy. All you got to do, starting with the ball in between your knees, and we're going to try and keep it there the whole time. You're going to bring one arm up, okay, so bring your right arm up. You're going to turn over into a kind of press up position like this. You're going to bring the other arm up, so that's my left arm in this case, and complete the spin, okay? So once you can get to grips with that, one arm up, press up position, other arm up, finish the spin. The aim obviously is to keep the ball in between your knees the whole time. Now you can try and put those two tricks together, really nice and smooth. So we're going to go catapult, sit down spin, okay? Best of luck with that one, guys. All the best.